I put myself through college and law school, waiting tables, and I worked full-time throughout school. Oftentimes I would rely on credit cards, just like most people, and the debt snowballed. And when my parents passed away one after another while I was in school, there was no fallback. There was nobody to rely on. And then, next thing I know, I am sitting on $35,000 of credit card debt. And I was just starting out my career. I felt like a deadbeat. I felt like I failed. In 2009, I worked for a debt settlement company up here in Orlando. And I'll never forget, an older couple in their early 80s came to see me. The wife had breast cancer. The husband, they were both on fixed income and a small retirement pension. And the gentleman said to me that the debt settlement company is charging him $800 a month. So I told them, you need to cancel this program. You need to file bankruptcy. But wait a minute. I said to myself, maybe it's time that I think about filing bankruptcy. And then I went through the process and I was sitting on the other side of the desk talking to an attorney. I was wondering, am I gonna lose my car? Am I gonna lose my house? Will this not allow me to get a credit card in the future? And the answer to those questions are, you're not gonna lose your car. In most cases, you don't lose anything but your debts. Well, the first thing I did when I got my discharge notice is like all my clients do. You check your credit report. You check to see if it's gone. And after a few weeks, you see all the balances are zero. From $35,000 of debt to zero. I felt elated. I realized that sometimes to take 2 steps forward, you have to take a step back. Before, I was waiting tables, I was selling filet mignon, lobster tails, and now I'm selling hope. I walked in your shoes, and I know exactly what it's like to be in a situation where you're on a budget and the money's run out, but life does have a restart button. And we're fortunate to help people restart their lives.